It's time to renew your Autodesk perpetual licenses on maintenance subscription, and it could be a good time to consider subscription. Let's take a look at what you'll get with subscription. Broad access to the latest innovation in tools, technologies, and services to fit your needs now and in the future. An easier way to manage users and costs by providing access to the right products and updates when your team needs them. Also, reporting tools and notifications make it easier to analyze and evaluate software usage, spending, productivity, and future needs. So, if you're interested in moving to subscription, but want to be sure it's the best option, you'll be glad to know there are lots of benefits of moving right now. Subscription gives you access to more of the software and services you love and use at a greater value. It's designed with you in mind, so you'll have access to the right tool for the job, now and in the future. Plus, a subscription is always ready to add extended capabilities and new functionality when you need it. If you use 2 or more Autodesk products, then an industry collection could be best for you. There are 3 industry collections: 1 for architecture, engineering, and construction, 1 for product design and manufacturing, and 1 for media and entertainment. Autodesk Industry Collections integrate leading products with specialized solutions and optimizing workflows so you can accomplish more, faster, and with greater confidence. They make it simple to access all the tools you need to handle complex projects, all in one package. You'll also reduce costs by streamlining your deployment and management. An industry collection lets you extend the functionality of leading products to help you make the most of new technologies, while a steady stream of new releases will help your business stay ahead of the curve. We recognize the investment you've made with us, so we've got a special offer for you when you switch perpetual licenses on maintenance to subscription. At renewal time, you can subscribe to an industry collection at a special offer, allowing you the benefit of savings for the next 3 years. But remember, the sooner you move to subscription, the more you'll save. So don't wait. Switch to subscription and get access to our latest tools, improved workflows, cloud services, and instant access to new applications in an industry collection from Autodesk.